Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you the fastest way to actually turn on this mode, and after that how to customize it. So we have to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully here, and we have to find the proper icon, which I cannot localize right now. Probably because it is not added to this section. Oh, it is. So the eye protection, as you can see, this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on this icon, and as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you like to use your device at night, this mode is totally for you. Your eyes will thank you for sure. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you want to enter this option to customize it, you can just tap on it and hold it and you will be transferred to this section. However, I just want to show you how to enter it kind of manually. So let's enter the settings, the general settings, of course. Right here we have to find the display and brightness, and as you can see, we've got this eye protection. Of course, you can turn it on here also and tap on it in order to customize. It has to be enabled in order to change the intensity. This is the first thing we will customize. By going to the left with the switcher, you can make it cooler and it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, much warmer. You can see really this yellow or amber tint in the screen. You can also schedule this feature, of course, and the none option means that you have to turn it on and off manually. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, or you can turn it on at custom times, so you simply pick the start and the end time, and your device will automatically use those hours to apply the eye protection. It's up to you, however, I prefer the none options of the manual option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.